morning. So for this Easter edition, just joking. So for this, we're going to do, this is my 1.5 inch fairy points made into rickrack. And of course I got the bunny theme going on because, you know, hippity hoppity Easter's on its way. And then these are the little bunnies. And see, little Minky bunny. Yeah. So what we're going to give away, so make sure you comment. We're going to give away we'll send you 2 people the little cutouts of the bunnies. I think it's really cute. And all I did was applique these on, put Wonder underneath them, and of course I did little Minkies, and then this, and this will be, of course, a tea towel hanging. Look, little bunnies. And I think it's just really, really cute. And this kind of looks like, well, you could use it as a fence, like the bunnies are going to hop over or whatever you want to do. I just thought it was really, really cute. I like the green. I happen to really like green. So this is going to be our next week's tutorial, and I'll show you how to make it. And it's very simple, and all you need is 2 6-inch strips of fabric to do the rickrack, and 1 length will only make 1 tea towel. And all these this is what, a 5-inch bunny. I think this is a 4, and this is a 3. So that's it. But we'll see you next week, and God bless, and thank you so much.